we are coming down from yesterday's close. Look at this move. 39 points, 40 points. Both ES and NQ have given up a lot during the overnight session. Apparently rates spiked and that's triggering a little bit of a sell-off. So we had a couple of days that we had two back-to-back P-shaped profiles. And when you have a P-shaped profile, you're lacking access to the upside. So it means that buyers were trying, but were not successful bringing prices higher and balancing this this profile. And I'm, so now we're going down. We're likely. So when you cannot move up prices, what do? You bring price down so you can advertise so people can buy more, right? So we're either coming back and looking for where the buyers are, or this is sellers unwinding some long positions. But either way, you can see that the larger time frame, we also have a kind of a P-shaped profile, and we're getting to where support should be. And we have this untested point of control here at 69 that I've been talking about for a while. We have the CPI scene of the crime, right? So this is where we started the rally on the 15th of May. And the market, for some reason, don't ask me why, likes to retest those spots where we have some big news and we make big moves from. We initiate big moves. So there's a likelihood that we tested this today. It seems like now, if this is a weekly high to 52.64. So if we lose this, then we're gonna be in this lower distribution, and we're likely gonna go to 52.45-ish. But so we have two things. One is that we've been in this buy the dip market for a while. So what I'm looking at is the following. We are opening with inventory 100% short, meaning like from the close, you can see the close is here. There's all the action happened below the close, right? So inventory 100% short. What usually happens is that we get some kind of correction of inventory, and that means that we move towards that close, right? So we have, as of now, we're opening with a true gap, and the first thing that we want to do is, do we fill the gap, right, to yesterday's low, which is at 52.97 almost. And then if we get inside the range, are we able to get back inside value, right? Value is up here. And if you look at where value is in the bigger time frame, this is where value is. So a move towards 53.15, 53.25 would be what I would be looking for if we can get buyers to defend this area. What could also happen is that we move into this, clean up the structure, revisit this scene of the crime, the point of control, and then we catch a bounce. But again, if we don't get the bounce here, then we're likely gonna go to 52.45. And NQ is already going towards this 20-day point of control, which is at 750, which we referred to a bunch of times. Actually, hold on one second, because I had a short. I want to make sure that I'm not. I had shorted NQ earlier, and I just wanted to make sure that my position was okay. Okay, I'm good. All right. Yeah, I'm looking to take profits here around 60 to 50. on NQ, but I'm looking for 750 as the magnet. So maybe take profits a little ahead of that. Okay, so crude oil. I've been saying that 80-20 was kind of the line in the sand for me. Like if we stay above 80-20, we can rally. You can see what's happening now. During the overnight session, we were holding, and now that we just opened, we're losing this area. We're about to close this gap, but I would wait a little bit instead of just shorting this. But if we cannot hold above this, now this low volume node, it will be my line in the sand, right? So for today, above 80-35-ish, then I would look for longs, but below that, I would look for a move back to at least this point of control at 79.72, and then see if we can continue lower. The 20-day and the 90-day point of control are way down here at 78.80. I think this is but we have this one right here. You see this 79.10, which is the one that I was referring to yesterday. So if we go back down, then I would just look for a move down with some support at 79.40 and then 79.10. But again, I would wait a little bit for the open, see how the reaction is. Usually the open, the big boys adjust their positions, and so let them do their business, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, I think that's about it. Gold. Gold moved gold rolled over, so now we're looking at the Q contract. So I'm gonna look at this later, because right now I'm just looking at my short on NQ. I want to pay attention to that, and because the market is gonna be opening soon, and I don't want to hold it for too long. Anyway, good luck. We don't have much on the news side. We have some Richmond Fed Comp Index. I don't know what the hell that is, at 10. And then we have the 1 p.m. 7-year auction. Then Fed speaking at 1:45. And at 2 p.m. we have the Fed's beige book. That usually moves the market a little bit, so pay attention to that. And then tomorrow we have GDP and jobless claims, crude inventories, a bunch of stuff. And then the next day we have PCE, but that is the one to watch for this week. What else? I think that's about it. Good luck, everybody, and I'll be around. Now crude is catching a little bit of a vid. Again, watch 80-32. All right, good luck.